How's it going? My name is Ben, co-founder of Bettor Media, and today I'm going to talk about how I use OddsJam and how I make over $1,000 a month through this software, which uses arbitrage betting to make risk-free money. So guys, for starters, I'm going to use this example right here with Kendrick Nunn's player prop of over under his points, rebounds, assist total at 21.5. So as you can see, there are two sports books here that have it listed at minus 125 for the over, and Fanduel has it listed at plus 210 for the under. And this creates an arbitrage situation where you have a 12% window with no matter if his player prop goes over or under 21.5, no matter what, you will profit that 12%. So OddsJam gives you the sports books to place the bets at, and it provides you the calculator of how much to bet in order to be profitable of that 12% window. So this might sound a bit too good to be true, but it is a amazing feature that this website has, and it can do wonders for you, much like it has for me, and I'm going to explain how it works. So for starters, guys, let's go ahead and take a look here on the website. As you can see, it has the states here listed on the top right. You can go to which state that it is legal to bet, and you can find the sports books available in your state in order to take advantage of this arbitrage system. So say you're from Colorado, we'll use that as our state for an example here. You can go ahead and click on Colorado and you can see the different sports books available and the arbitrage opportunities you have in your state. Something that's going to be a bit tedious about this process is you are going to have to sign up with a multiple amount of sports books. However, it is a blessing in disguise because as you sign up with these sports books, you will receive deposit bonuses, which will only add to your funding for you to take advantage of on these arbitrage opportunities. For example, MGM, they have a $600 sign up bonus. So don't be too afraid about having to sign up with these sports books. It's only going to open up more opportunities for you to make risk-free money with OddsJam's arbitrage betting software. Not only does OddsJam provide you with the arbitrage opportunities to take advantage of, but it also shows you which sports books have the best lines possible for you to make your bets. So the reason you would want to line shop is because if you can get a better line, say you can find it at one sports book to bet something at plus 125 instead of plus 100, your profit on a $100 bet would be $25 higher for the same amount of risk. It only makes sense to find the best possible opportunity for you to get the most profits out of your bets. Much like when you're going shopping, say you're going with a night out with the boys, you're looking to get some vodka, and you find yourself in a situation where the name brand label is $5 more than this off-brand. Yeah, that off-brand might get you a little hangover the next morning, but hey, with arbitrage betting, there is no bad morning. You are going to wake up with more money in your pocket, and that is why it is such a beautiful opportunity here with OddsJam. So depending on how much you are looking to try and make, obviously, the more money you put into these sports books, the more you will get out because you will be able to create a higher return on your profit window just based on the amount of money you are betting. So yes, you are going to have to make multiple accounts and deposit money into multiple accounts. But like I mentioned earlier, it's a blessing in disguise because you will get multiple deposit bonuses and overall more funding to take advantage of these arbitrage situations. So once you have all your money set up in your sports books and your different betting accounts, now all you have to do is go to your OddsJam account, find the arbitrage situations with the highest profitable windows, and start placing risk-free bets, which OddsJam will tell you which sportsbooks to go to, and it'll tell you how much to bet in order to get a profitable window on these arbitrage situations. It's truly remarkable. This system is absolutely genius. It's done wonders for me the last couple of months, and it can do wonders for you. All you have to do is sign up with OddsJam, sign up with a couple sports books, and next thing you know, you will be making easy, risk-free money every month, every day you decide to take advantage of it. Make sure you guys sign up with OddsJam. If you guys are looking for further information, go ahead and go to the next video where I break down how arbitrage betting works and how OddsJam uses their software to make arbitrage betting a risk-free form of sports betting available, affordable, and easy for anyone out there to start making some extra side money. No problem. Don't believe me? DM me on Instagram at Bettor Media, and I will go ahead and provide you one-on-one information, how it works, how I use it, and how you can start using it today to make over $1,000 a month at the touch of your fingertips. Happy gambling.